In today's video, we're going to change out an air filter in the 2003 Ford Expedition. So I've got my hood popped, engine's off. I'm gonna come to the front here. There's a clamp. So this is the driver's side. So I'm gonna remove this clamp you see right here. I'm gonna set you up right here so I can set you right here. So yep, I'm gonna remove this clamp right here. And air filter is gonna be right here. So let's get it out the way. See that? That's our air filter. It's kind of deformed a little bit, so it's a good thing we're replacing it. You can go through and you see within these things, in these sheets here, we have quite a bit of debris. So let's go ahead and get this replaced. So we've got the replacement filter. Here you see the old one. Here you see the new one. Something I like to do is just give them a look over, hold them to each other, kind of compare them, make sure they look good. So, yep, looks like a good fit. So let's go ahead and get this back in there. So you got that sealed. So what I'm doing in order to get it back in here, you want to align, obviously, this notch here with this opening. You want to make sure it's seated well on the inside. So get your filter in, you want to make sure you've got it flush all the way around here. And what's going to happen is you're just going to then clamp these two pieces together, and everything should go back just fine. Once I get it positioned, I'll be right back. So now we have everything positioned. Let's go ahead and put this right here. And there you have it. Just swapped out an air filter on a 2003 Ford Expedition. So I think this was definitely a quick and easy one for you today. Something that you can definitely do yourself. So I hope this video helped you out. Have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.